Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to discuss about value or importance of biodiversity in this video. So, value or importance of biodiversity can be classified into five categories. One is called consumptive value. This refers to direct use for utilization of biodiversity by the communities for their various daily existence needs like food, medicine, or for real fuel wood, building material, clothing, and others is called as a consumptive value. Then second is productive value. This refers to the production of marketable goods or products from the biodiversity sources. In other words, biodiversity can be used to gain monetary returns. For this reason, preservation of biodiversity is essential also for industrial growth and economic development. And third one is social and ethical value. In addition to the directive, consumptive, and economic values of biodiversity, also has a social and ethical values which are of indirect nature. Many traditional societies believe that all forms of life are scared and have right to exist on the earth. They also consider that protecting them is our moral responsibility. This philosophy has manifested in the practice of worshipping nature and components like plants, animals. Hindus will worship the trees like Bilva, Vanni, and Tulasi. Then fourth one is aesthetic value. Aesthetic value of biodiversity exist in the inherent quality of adding and enhancing the beauty of our environment. Plants with attractive flowers, butterflies, moths with their colorful wings, birds with their melodies, our nature will beautiful. Flower garden or parks adds a beauty of the city. Then fifth one, optional value. Optional value of biodiversity refers to its potential to provide economic and other benefits to human society at the same time in the future. A plant or animal which at present has no direct economic value may prove to be having useful medicinal, chemical, or sometime in future they are helpful. Optional value suggests that every species has to be protected in order to maintain the biodiversity on the earth. So, these all about the importance or value of biodiversity.